Hi, I'm going to talk about binary tree, level order traversal. It's nothing but we will be getting an input of a tree in a linked list way, uh, to a linked list way. So once we get the input, as you can see in this thing, like the level, the topmost root will be in the first array, and then second most root will be in the next array, and then third most root elements will be in the third array. It will be continuing like that. Okay, that is what they expected here, and I will just give a small walkthrough of the code. Here you can see that we have a queue that will be storing that um, the next iteration data. Also, that current iteration will be happening next, something like that. I will explain you. And this is the overall while loop which will be helping you to append these things, like the for loop will be appending 9 and 20, the while loop will be appending the entire 9 and 20 array itself. Okay, that is what happening here. This is the value. I will give a small walkthrough. As, as as you see in that, initially that we will be taking the root node in the queue. We'll just add only the root node before that while and for loop. And since we add it, right, um, here you might I had a question that I don't know how for loop works. So I thought while for loop executing, we shouldn't disturb that particular array. So this queue is an array of nodes. um, we can disturb it. Okay, for loop will be storing them once it starts. If it is having three elements, even if you delete all the three also, it will execute the three element data. It will be executing this operation. Okay, respective. Even if you add multiple elements, it will execute only for three. It will not execute three, like four, five, something like that. It will not execute continuously. So that is a one advantage in for loop. So the older queue will be here, and then we will be removing that older element here, and then we will add the node elements here. Okay, so the first queue we are adding tree, the root will be adding by default the first one, and then we'll be adding the left and right of them. If it is not equal to nil, we'll be adding them, and then the current value of the node 3 will be added here, and then it will be added as an array inside the output. Okay, again that will be 9 and 20 will be added. So as you see, um, in this while loop, right, we remove the first. Okay, we remove this one, but we are appending left and right. So 2 and 20 will be appended, and this is the output one that will be updated in the while loop, that will be updated. And then similarly, again, right, since the queue got updated with the 2 and 20, we will delete that 2 and then add that two's value, like 3 and 4, and then we will be output, we'll try to do 2 again. The 20 will be removed, and then we'll add 30 and 40, so that you can see that level is being organized in the queue. Each time that for loop is completing, the level will be, that particular single level of elements will be added, and then it will be continuing. Cool.